Pandas, beloved icons of the animal kingdom, are known for their distinctive appearance, gentle demeanor, and conservation significance. Native to the bamboo forests of China, these enigmatic creatures have captured the hearts of people worldwide. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating world of pandas, from their physical characteristics and behaviors to their role in ecosystems and conservation efforts. Physical characteristics. Pandas, Ailuropoda melanoleuca, are instantly recognizable by their striking black and white fur. This unique coloration serves as effective camouflage in their natural habitat of bamboo forests. Their large, round faces feature black patches around their eyes, ears and shoulders, with white fur covering the rest of their body. Pandas have a robust build, with males typically weighing around 85 to 125 kilograms, 187 to 276 pounds, and females slightly smaller at 70 to 100 kilograms, 154 to 220 pounds. Diet and feeding habits. Despite their carnivorous ancestry, pandas primarily subsist on a herbivorous diet of bamboo. Bamboo comprises approximately 99% of their diet, though they occasionally consume other plant material, small rodents, or insects. Their specialized wrist bones called pseudo-thumbs aid in gripping bamboo shoots. Pandas can consume up to 12 to 38 kilograms, 26 to 84 pounds, of bamboo daily due to its relatively low nutritional content, leading to their sedentary lifestyle. Behavior and habitat. Pandas are solitary animals with solitary tendencies, even in captivity. They have a relatively low metabolic rate, spending a significant portion of their day resting and feeding. Pandas inhabit the dense bamboo forests of central China's mountainous regions, where they find shelter and food. These forests provide the perfect environment for their unique dietary preferences and also offer a level of seclusion. Reproduction and cubs. Pandas have a slow reproductive rate and are generally solitary except during the breeding season. Female pandas have a brief window of fertility, which usually occurs once a year for a few days. Mating involves courtship rituals, such as scent marking and vocalizations. The gestation period lasts around 95 to 160 days, and a female usually gives birth to 1 or 2 cubs, although twins are relatively common. Panda cubs are incredibly vulnerable at birth, weighing only about 90 to 130 grams, 3.2 to 4.6 ounces. They are born blind and helpless, relying entirely on their mother's care. For several months, the mother nurses her cub, providing it with crucial nutrients and protection. Cubs start to explore their surroundings and eat solid food at around 6 months old. They are weaned at about 8 to 9 months, but they typically stay with their mother for up to 2 years, learning essential survival skills. Conservation status. Pandas are listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to habitat loss and fragmentation, as well as threats from poaching and low reproductive rates. China's efforts to protect panda habitats and establish reserves have been instrumental in their conservation. Pandas have also become a symbol of wildlife conservation globally. Conservation efforts. China's commitment to panda conservation has led to the creation of numerous panda reserves and breeding centers. Breeding programs in captivity have helped increase panda numbers and genetic diversity. Some pandas bred in captivity are eventually reintroduced into the wild to bolster the wild population. These efforts, coupled with international collaboration and public awareness campaigns, have contributed to panda conservation. Pandas as ecosystem engineers. Pandas play a vital role in their ecosystem as ecosystem engineers. Their feeding habits help control bamboo growth, preventing it from overrunning other plant species. This in turn maintains biodiversity in their habitat and contributes to a healthy ecosystem. Cultural significance. Pandas hold a special place in Chinese culture as symbols of peace and harmony. They are often seen as ambassadors of goodwill between China and other nations. Their image is frequently associated with conservation and environmental awareness. Adaptations for bamboo consumption. Pandas have evolved several adaptations to survive on a bamboo diet, which is relatively low in nutrients. Their digestive system is better suited for a carnivorous diet, yet they have developed a specialized gut with microbial communities that help break down the cellulose in bamboo. Additionally, their jaw muscles and teeth are modified to handle the tough plant material. Conserving energy. Pandas conserve energy through their sedentary lifestyle and low-energy behaviors. They often rest during the day to avoid the hottest hours and become more active during the cooler mornings and evenings. Even when foraging for bamboo, they move slowly and deliberately to minimize energy expenditure. Climate change and habitat preservation. Climate change poses a potential threat to panda habitats, as shifts in temperature and bamboo growth patterns could affect their survival. Ensuring the preservation of their habitats, particularly in protected areas and corridors, is crucial for their long-term survival. Pandas in popular culture. Pandas have captured the imagination of people beyond scientific and conservation circles. They are often featured in cartoons, movies, and advertisements. Their lovable and endearing image has made them cultural icons in many parts of the world. Successful breeding in captivity. China has achieved significant success in breeding pandas in captivity, with many cubs born in breeding centers. Breeding programs help increase the genetic diversity of the captive population and provide insights into panda reproductive biology. In conclusion, pandas are remarkable creatures that have captured the imagination of people around the world. Their distinct appearance, unique behaviors, and role in ecosystems make them both captivating and significant. As we continue to learn about and protect these beloved animals, we contribute to the preservation of biodiversity and the delicate balance of our planet's natural world.